When? That's the key word for Scania ProCare. Because we all know that you don't run a transport business based on the question if, and you certainly don't start an important customer promise with it. So it's all about when, for the entire transportation industry really. And the more critical a transport is, the more critical that word becomes. It's about recognizing the inevitable rather than accepting uncertainty. That's what ProCare does. Using a data-driven approach, it provides the when in the form of an answer for your customers, rather than as a question that comes from them, all on a per-vehicle contract basis. ProCare is about knowing when components in your most business-critical trucks might cause an unplanned stop, and replacing them before they actually do, using real-time usage and wear monitoring 24/7. It's about providing control over when you can schedule service and maintenance, so it doesn't impact your most valuable promises, through detailed vehicle health overviews in your fleet portal. And it's about when to spend time nurturing your business instead of nursing it back to health, knowing your workshop representative will be the one calling you to prevent a future issue rather than waiting for something to happen. Control over that single word when keeps you one step ahead of problems, ahead of business needs, ahead of customer expectations, and ahead of the competition. Scania ProCare, putting your most important transport one step ahead. Contact your Scania representative to find out more.